Creating Government in 5 Minutes by James Dummer for Georgetown College EDU 527. In U.S. government class, group projects and videos are used to explore our U.S. government. By using these types of activities, students learn to work together to reach a common goal, peer edit other group members' work, struggle through problems, conduct research, develop leadership skills, and come up with a finished product that they can be proud of and share with others. This video will describe the use of Scratch 2.0 to help each of these groups come up with an interactive story about the 3 branches of our government. This activity relates to several of the ISTE standards for teachers. These standards met by this project are Standard 1, facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity. Standard 2, develop and design digital age learning experience and assessments. Standard 4, promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility. The Scratch 2.0 program is an activity that uses the Universal Design for Learning guidelines to provide multiple meanings of representation, action and expression, and engagement. Scratch 2.0 is a web-based coding program that allows its users to create programs that are interactive, fun, challenging, and a creative way for students to teach a lesson, present information, or tell a story. Scratch 2.0 can be downloaded also to a computer to be worked on when the user is offline or without internet access, allowing the user to work whenever and wherever they want. Students and teachers can create accounts for free if they don't already have one. Before the students begin creating their project in the Scratch program, they will need to brainstorm together to come up with a project plan. They will need to come up with the characters or sprites they would like to use, the number of different backgrounds, project details, and background traditions, or how they're going to move from slide to slide. The students will then log in, create a new project, give it a name. The students will work together to complete the assignment, troubleshoot and support each other. The teacher will provide the students with a cheat sheet of the events, loops, sounds, and motions. There are also several tutorials online, and the teacher will be available to help if the group becomes too stuck. Once the group finishes their project, they will be able to copy and paste a link after they publish it to the website. The other groups and teachers can then view and comment on the project. The program even allows the projects to be remixed and added to. The ultimate goal of the Government Scratch project is to get the students to sum up the lesson over the branches of the U.S. government. The project programs will be used to put the unit in action and be a way of reinforcing and measuring student understanding. These programs will consist of sprites, backgrounds, and buttons, and a common theme, topic, or direction that align with a specific branch of the U.S. government. This project relates to a number of Universal Design for Learning principles. The video will address the UDL Guidelines 1, providing options for perception in the way the information will be presented. You will see evidence of UDL Standard 2.1. You will see different vocabulary used from the Scratch 2.0 program. Standard 2.5, different illustrations through multiple medias, as the students will be able to choose the way they want to present the data. Standard 3, teachers and students will activate prior knowledge and experience to their own comprehension about the project. And 8.3 will be addressed because the students will collaborate with each other and the teacher if needed. Standard 9 will also be addressed because the students will have to come up with the strategies to complete the project and reflect on theirs and their classmates' projects. At the end of the project, the members of the class will be provided with the links to their classmates' projects. The classmates will be provided a scoring rubric to score and make comments about their fellow classmates' projects. The teachers will look at the peer reviews and the projects to assess the student understanding of the topic they were assigned. While there are several coding programs on the market, I hope that you find Scratch 2.0 program an asset to your classroom in improving your student learning. If you have an iPad or a younger group, you can always give Scratch Junior a try.